In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent bots and spam accounts on Shopify. By the end, you'll have your store's built-in protections set up to cut down on fake signups, spammy comments, and automated abuse without adding unnecessary friction for real customers. Start by heading to Shopify and signing into your admin dashboard the way you normally do. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open Online Store. This is where you manage the public-facing parts of your site, including settings that affect forms and customer interactions. Next, open Preferences. This page collects several important storefront settings. Scroll down until you find the Spam Protection section. This is where Shopify's built-in protections live, and it's the control center for keeping bots from misusing your forms and customer pages. First, enable protection on your contact and comment forms. Turning this on helps filter automated submissions, reducing those junk messages that waste your time or publish as unwanted comments. Shopify handles this in the background, analyzing behavior to decide when to present a challenge to suspicious traffic. Legitimate customers can still reach you, but automated scripts are far less likely to get through. Then, enable protection on your login, create account, and password recovery pages. This is especially important for preventing automated account creation, credential stuffing, and bot-based password reset spam. With this enabled, bots that try to brute force logins or flood your site with fake accounts will hit a roadblock, while real shoppers can continue as normal. As an additional layer, you can also install a bot blocker. These apps complement Shopify's built-in tools by adding features like IP blocking, country-level filtering, rate limiting, and more advanced behavior analysis. If you explore this option, look for reputable apps with strong reviews and clear explanations of what they block and how they handle legitimate users. Choose a solution that fits your traffic patterns and customer base, and make sure it offers transparent controls so you can fine-tune the balance between security and user experience. A few quick tips as you wrap up. After enabling protections, keep an eye on your contact volume and account signups to confirm the noise goes down while real inquiries remain steady. If you use a bot blocker app, review its logs periodically to see what's being blocked and adjust thresholds if needed. And remember, the goal is to reduce friction for genuine visitors while making life harder for automated scripts. That's it. With these settings in place, your Shopify store is far better protected against bots and spam accounts. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.